Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect meringue icing. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need fresh egg whites, granulated sugar, and a clean, heat-proof bowl. Make sure your bowl and whisk are spotless, as any grease can prevent the meringue from whipping properly. Precision in measuring your ingredients is key for a stable and delicious icing. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's gently heat our egg white and sugar mixture. Place your heat-proof bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk the mixture continuously until the sugar completely dissolves and the temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for both safety and stability, ensuring a smooth, glossy meringue. Don't let the water touch the bottom of your bowl. Once heated, transfer the warm egg white mixture to a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Begin whipping on medium-high speed. Continue whipping until the meringue forms very stiff, glossy peaks. This process can take about 8 to 10 minutes. The bowl should feel completely cool to the touch, indicating the meringue is stable and ready to use. This creates a beautiful, pipeable icing. Finally, it's time to add your desired flavorings. Gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a splash of almond extract, or some fresh citrus zest. Your meringue icing is now ready to be used. It's perfect for frosting cakes, cupcakes, or even as a topping for pies. For other great kitchen deals, including those leak-proof containers mentioned, check the description below. Enjoy your perfectly stable and delicious meringue icing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.